Because yeah, you might have all the money in the world, but why spend your money when you can spend somebody else's money?
Okay, you know I'm down for that.
My niece taught
What
me
would
that
you
one. And
say?
if somebody else is not saying you going to a dude or you going to a girl and spending their money, no, it's still under you. But at the end of the day, you're doing it wisely, and you ain't just
Mhm.
spending cash and not getting nothing out of that cash other than what you bought.
Okay, okay. What would you say to someone who is thinking about joining Credit Remedy but they're unsure?
Okay, dust yourself off
Okay,
and go on and do what you need to do. Because
all right.
at the end of the day, at the end of the day, you need help. So why keep sitting there, oh, I'm going to pay this. And then 10 years that went by and your credit still jacked up. You, in them 10 years, what could you have done to make sure that you was good and comfortable, not just for you, but for your family too? Like your kids, your grandkids, your great grandkids. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to set it up for my great grandkids. I push my kids to it, so they already hit it. My daughters, my sons, they headed to it. They all heading in the right direction. Yes, it was
Hey,
pulling teeth. It was definitely pulling teeth. But guess what? They're heading there now. And I'm so proud. And they joined on deck with Credit Remedy. And like I said, they used to do what everybody else do. Ah, yeah, well, we'll do it. We'll do it. I'm like, this was for my grandson was born. He's 10 now. When we gonna do it? We need to make sure we
okay.
doing this. We doing this because at the end of the day, y'all setting the road for them. So if they don't see you doing it, how they gonna do it? It's called breaking the generation curse.
And
And
I'm
people
with
say
it.
that's not a true thing, but it really is. Because
It
when I
really
say,
is.
I'm not talking about like demonic, we in here hoodoo voodoo, and that's not what I'm talking about. What I'm
Right.
talking about is breaking the curse or making the same mistakes that your ancestors made. Because they wasn't educated on doing the right things that make sure that they can move forward. They didn't have it back then. But we
And they
got it now. We got it right now. You know, they always said, this is a true thing. And I'm not racist at all. I promise you I'm not. I'm not racist at all. But what they do say is if you want to become a millionaire, they put the answers in a book.
in a book.
And they say most black people don't read. So guess who get that millionaire? I ain't saying nothing, but you can read between the lines.
Right.
Okay?
Right.
So my thing is, if you want to be, I ain't saying you're gonna be a millionaire like overnight. You gonna make your money though.
Right.
And it's not going to be directly cash in your hand. Stop going after that cash. Go after that card. That card is what's going to get you right.
Okay. Okay.
That card is going to get you right because it is cash. It's cash. They don't pay what people don't. The people, like I told my niece, this is something I told you too. We have a few family members that brag about they millionaires. Well, let me explain something to you. If you're a millionaire, you don't talk about it. You just do it. You don't tell nobody you hanging with millionaires. You don't tell nobody you this. The proof is in the pudding. You are what you are. But don't try to be more than what you are. And with Credit Remedy, they show you that you can still be humble and not let everybody know your business. Because at the end of the day, that millionaire might not be that millionaire. And try to figure out how they get there. They got to get that credit right. If they don't get that credit right, they will never blossom.
Okay. Well, I got one more question. What is one regret you have about joining the program?
I don't have no regrets.
Okay.
I don't have no regrets.
I love it.
I don't. I don't have no regrets.
Here to serve. I
I
promise
don't.
you
Yeah.
blossom so much. I'm telling you, you have so many wins that we have to go, oh yeah, that one. Oh yeah,
I
that
forgot
one.
about it.
Oh yeah. But that's what I love. It's not just one thing. This financial thing follow us for the rest of our lives. We better go win. And I don't care if we lost it, we can go get it back. I lost it too, personally, and I got it back. It does not matter because that's what the journey is about. It's a roller coaster. And I, like you said, we stayed humble through the whole thing. We prayed up, we stayed down, through our divorces, through our kids growing up. We still won at the end of the day. And I thank you for being such a godly woman, an honest woman, a woman who's willing to say, Sierra, that, Federity, that. years, I cannot say not one time you have not posted it a day all about Credit Remedy on your personal page. Like you said, you don't get paid to be like, post this for me. This is genuinely coming from your heart. You could go 3 years back and look at her page, and you gonna see Credit Remedy on that thing. You will be doing your personal enjoyment. I get up there and hat my love, and you be like, "Hey, Credit Remedy, hey, Credit Remedy." I be like, this woman.
Hey.
You out, and you gonna shout me out. But that's the real love.
Yes.
That's how you know it's a real situation. Because if it was something that didn't help you, you'd be like, I ain't saying nothing about that.
Exactly.
I ain't saying nothing about that.
You already know how that works. You know, we as black folks, we be like, but see, that's the problem too. We don't want to scratch each other's back. And that's sad. But at the end of the day, you know, hey, I'm gonna scratch your back. Because like I said, it seems you get your roses while I'm here. Because at the end of the day, I know who helped me along the way. As far as my credit, all of that honey, my credit will not, I'll probably still be in the 400s. Thomas son, how I'm gonna pay off that? Okay, well, I'm gonna pay them, and then I worry about paying them when I get my taxes. That's when everybody want to pay. I get my taxes. I'm gonna pay everybody off.
Honey.
I'm gonna pay everybody off. That's the wrong move. Don't pay everybody off when you get your taxes. Pay that credit remedy. Make sure you pay her, and she'll pay everything, and you won't have to be like, oh, well, I only had enough to pay that one, because they gonna scam you. I learned this too. I'm sorry. They gonna scam you. They'll say, say for instance, you owe them $1,000, and they want to buy out for $500, and you be like, okay, yeah, but if you ain't get it in full writing and all of that at the end, they can still get you. Because what if they're paying you a 1099 or something, like, I forget what it is, for the remaining part of that or whatever, and now you still owe it, and it's still on your credit.
And it's
Baby.
on credit.
Nah, baby, my credit remedy taught me, don't do it. Don't do it.
Okay. Well, we about to close this out because I know you got better things to do on this beautiful Friday.
Not really.
I'm gonna take myself off camera, and I'm gonna let you talk. So, what I would like for you to do is a single testimony, basically talking about where you were before, what talents you may have, what was your experience, and where did you end up